Hi, I'm Leo Ryan, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to do an unboxing and review of the Fifine wireless lavalier microphone. I'm already wearing one now, but here's, oops. It comes in the box, the manual, and some company contact information. This here is the transmitter, I believe. This is the microphone itself. The microphone has a mini XLR plug, and it plugs in to the receiver. Like so. This is the transmitter. Little hard antenna. Now the transmitter has a 1/4 inch jack, but it comes with a 1/4 inch to TRS adapter. In order to use it with my phone, I had to get an adapter, which I'll show in a photograph later, that went from TRS to TRRS because I'm using a Samsung Galaxy S7 to record this video. And the batteries for both devices are also in the box. Give us a minute and we'll get back to you, and we're going to do a little test of the microphone, playing guitar and without the guitar. We'll be back in just a minute. Okay, we're back. Now we're going to try doing a little test of the audio, which I've been testing it this entire time. I've been using the mic's entire video, and playing guitar. And then we're going to stop for a minute and do the same thing without the mic. And you be the judge. Okay, let's play a little bit of guitar. That should be enough for you to tell whether or not the mic is picking it up or not. Okay, we're going to be back in a minute without the mic. Okay, we're back without the microphone, and I'm going to do a little dialogue, see if you can tell the difference between before and after, and then I'm going to hopefully play a little guitar, and then you be the judge whether or not there's a difference or not. Personally, I can't tell until I edit this video. Okay, that should be enough for you to be able to tell whether or not the mic will be good for your purposes. I'm hoping it's going to be good for mine. Thank you for tuning into our channel. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.